Hello, in this video I will show you how to change word background color from black to white. So if you have mistakenly your background color is black, so what you have to do to make it correct, so you need to click on the design tab and if you see the page color on the right side, click on the white color, so you will see that the background is not changing to the white. So first you need to go to the file menu and then go to the account options. And here you can see that I'm using the 2021 Microsoft Excel professional version. So here you can see that my office theme is black right now. So click on that drop down menu and make it white. And here you can see that your background color is white now. Back to the page and again now go to the design tab and now change the color from black. Now you can see that the page is black but the theme is white. So if you want to change the color, you may go to again and then click on whatever the color you like. So I hope this video helps you to understand how to change word background color from black to white. Thanks for watching.